guys, welcome to our channel today. We are making 2 easy Christmas ornaments. And these are the ones I'm going to make for charts for the Christmas tree. Please keep watching to see how to make them. This is what you would need. Dollar General gift tags. And you would need a mason jar lid. And these are what you need for the first Christmas ornament we are making. Now you want to get your mason jar lid, flip it over, and you want to get your gift tag and push it to the front as far as you can. Then you will want the other part of your mason jar lid, and you want to put glue on it, and then you will want to push it down behind it. And also you can write stuff behind your ornament like the year or somebody's name. And then you want to flip it over, and you can use ribbon or anything you like to be the hanger for the ornament. But today I use twine. And you can make a little bow like this, and you'll glue it all together, and then your ornament is finished. And this is what you would need for your second ornament. You would want a clear ornament, and you would want paint and a permanent marker. You can get all this from the Dollar Tree. Now you want to put the paint into your ornament, and you want to just shake it as much as you can to get the paint all through the whole ornament. And also you could do different colors or 2 colors. It's your choice. Now after you paint your whole ornament, you could put it in a mason jar or a cup. It's much easier when you write on it. You can write whatever you like on it. And then after that you can pick whatever twine or ribbon or whatever you like to hang it with. And now you are finished. Thank you all so much for watching today. Please like and subscribe, and I hope you have a blessed day. Bye!